Okay, it started.
Hi guys, we're here and I brought some girls that are part of our travel club from Affordable Destinations, and we are with David, is our chef, and he's going to be holding a cooking demonstration for us. This is where we hold our travel talks at David's Culinary in Brick. And if anybody would like to come to any of our events, just contact me through Facebook or text me at 848-333-0881, and you can enjoy a wonderful meal and learn about wonderful travel destinations with David and me. And this is Chef David.
Hi. Okay, so I'm going to make some Penne Vodka for you today. Okay? And there's one thing that I'm missing.
Cheers. Cheers. Hi, guys.
Okay, so what we do is we get our pan, get a nice pan, we get it hot. Right, put a little bit of oil in your pan. Right, you want to get that hot. Swirl that around a little bit. Alright, so we're going to put some onions. Some onions in the pan, we're going to cook those. There we go, I forgot to turn the heat up all the way. Can't cook without heat, right? And then we're going to season our onions, a little salt and pepper. There we go. Now we're starting to sizzle, right? And we're going to put a little bit of garlic, right, chopped garlic.
Yum, garlic.
Okay. Mix that with our onions. Just want to give this a minute to start getting hot. It's starting to get hot now.
See, guys, to all you guys on Facebook that can't figure out what to cook for dinner, just call David at David's Culinary, or you guys can learn and watch here and make this in your own kitchen.
All right, so now we're starting to cook the fire, right? We want to cook those so they start to get a little bit tender, right? So once they start, we want to add tomatoes, diced tomatoes, fresh plum tomatoes. Mix those in, stir them up, do a little toss. Alright, so now we want to season the tomatoes. Every time we add ingredients, we always want to season. But when we don't over season the first ingredients, you just keep seasoning all the other ingredients. So don't be afraid to do that. And we just gotta wait a minute for it to start to get hot. These flames don't get too hot, so what do we do while we wait?
Drink wine. Cheers, guys. Hi. It's really worked out well for you. I don't have it stuck together. I never focus right to what I'm doing. I can't see. You're bouncing all over.
So now you see our tomatoes are starting to cook a little bit. We're starting to bleed out some juice, which is good.
See, I want to learn how to do that. I don't have good handlers.
Right. We don't want it to go too far because we want those chunks of tomatoes in our sauce. So now,
Yay.
now comes the vodka. So we're cooking with actual fire. So if you're cooking with electric, it's no big deal. But when you're cooking with fire, you want to make sure that you remove the pan from the heat. So keep the vodka away from the fire. Okay, because if not, you can certainly.
That looks good. David's our man.
See, we catch that on
Oh,
fire.
wow, look at that.
So if we would have done this and not caught on fire, it would have came in.
And it would have
this
went
blown
down,
up.
really?
Yeah.
So it's kind of like hairspray.
There you go.
I would have went on fire if I was standing over there.
Yeah. So you want to let that burn.
Wow, look at that.
Wow, that looks
Right,
That's
nice
so
fire.
pretty.
Alright.
Oh, wow.
So you want to just burn the alcohol off a little bit. But we do want to keep a little bit of the alcohol.
Of
in there.
course we do.
Right.
If not, just put the bottle on the table. We're good.
So, and then we're just gonna add some cream,
Yeah, for the vodka sauce.
vodka sauce, right? Because vodka sauce is pink. It becomes pink because you add white to the red,
Right.
right? White being cream.
Heavy cream.
Heavy cream, yes.
Your favorite,
Wow.
Savannah.
Wow.
Right. And then you're gonna want that to come up and cook down. Now you do want that to cook down a little bit, the heavy cream, and that's gonna give your sauce some body. It helps to make it full creamy. So then you just have to wait a little bit. You wanna season that a little bit as well.
So every time you add an ingredient, you add a
You
seasoning.
season, yeah. Right, a little salt and pepper. And just let that cook down just a little bit. It's gonna get a little bit thicker. As the heavy cream cooks, it gets a little bit thicker.
So now the tomatoes that you sliced, they were just fresh tomatoes?
Fresh plum tomatoes.
Fresh plum
Yeah,
tomatoes,
plum.
okay.
Yeah. When cooking Italian, you have to have
Plum tomatoes.
Right.
And no can. I'm surprised. No
No.
can. Wow, that's
I don't use
amazing.
hands.
Okay. My grandmother used to have that grater thing. Do you remember that thing? The strainer grater? Yep. She used to do that.
What do you say,
Yeah.
no can?
No canned tomatoes. Anybody else good?
Alright, so it starts to cook down, it gets a
Let me
little
wait.
bit thicker. Right, you want that because you want that creaminess in your sauce. Now as that cooks down a little bit, you wanna add the basil, fresh basil, right? When you're using fresh herbs, you always want to put your fresh herbs in the end. Because if you put the fresh herbs in the beginning, it'll kind of lose its flavor a little bit after it cooks out. So, and it doesn't give that, it doesn't leave that freshness in there, right? Because when fresh herbs are exposed to heat, that's when their flavor comes out, as opposed to dry herbs. You know, dry herbs need to absorb liquid, and then the flavor will come out more. But fresh herbs, the flavor comes out as soon as it's exposed to heat. So you want to do that. Now we have fresh marinara sauce, right, that I made today. So we're going to just add fresh marinara sauce. And then you add some and you stir it up.
Oh, it's getting pink.
Right? So the red and the white is starting to get pink a little bit. And the marinara sauce also has onions and garlic and basil in it as well.
If anybody watching would like to come to my next event at David's Culinary, please text me or contact me through 848-333-0881, and you could be part of our great travel club.
And just stir that up and get the right color.
Wave girls. Hi guys. Oh, it smells awesome. Oh my God, can you smell it over there? Because I can really smell it here.
Right, and now you also want to add some grated Parmesan cheese. So we put some of that in there. And then it all depends on your personal taste, whether, you know, some people crazy about cheese, some people just want a little bit. You know, so the Parmesan adds a little bit of nuttiness also. If you add a lot to it, you get a nutty flavor to it. And then just we want to cook down, incorporate a little bit. Just a little bit more.
So the more cheese you add, the nuttier the flavor? Is that what you're saying? You get like a
Yeah,
nutty
yeah,
flavor?
because Parmesan cheese has got a nuttiness to it.
I didn't
A
know
little
that.
bit of nutty.
Heather is our non-cook person, so you don't cook.
No.
Heather does not cook. She maybe could microwave, but that's about it. So you're teaching like a baby steps here.
Okay. So this is about it. Here we have, we have chunks. We have chunks of tomato. We have chunks of onion, right? We have a nice consistency. We have good color. And then we're just going to add to some pasta that I have over here for you.
Oh wow, that looks amazing.
All right, we stir that up.
Now, if anybody likes what he's making tonight, you can call David at David's Culinary, and he can make you a tray of this for dinner to take home to your family or keep it all for yourself. I posted his phone number, but I'm going to let him give it to you again. And please call him and let him know that you liked his cooking demonstration tomorrow. David.
Phone number for David's Culinary Catering is 609-402-6281. You can find me on the internet at www.davidsculinarydelights.com and also on Facebook at David's Culinary Catering.
Send David a message and let him know that you loved what he cooked tonight.
And you want to put, before we put out a dish like this, we'll sprinkle some more on top, make it look nice and fresh. A little bit extra cheese.
Wow, that looks awesome. My God, it looks so good.
All right, there you have it, folks.
Well,
Penne Vodka.
that's amazing, and we want to thank David for giving us this great cooking demonstration. And now all the girls are gonna eat. So if our pants haven't fit us before, they're definitely not gonna fit us now. So get those stretchy leggings out, girls. Thanks, bye.